Hi, I'm Bill Spellman. I'm running for Austin City Council. As many of you know, I teach urban policy at the LBJ School at the University of Texas and was a member of the Austin City Council for 3 years in the late 1990s. I love public service, and being on the council was one of the best jobs that anybody who loves public service could ever hope to have. But today our city is facing new challenges, and with your assistance and your support, I'd like to help take City Hall in a new direction. Like many of you, I'm concerned about the economy. It's going to affect the city budget, it's going to affect the goods and services that cities can provide, and it's going to affect all of our lives. But there's a tendency inside City Hall to listen mostly to lobbyists and bureaucrats, and not to listen to you. I want to listen to you. A strong economy begins at home. That means we need to protect small local businesses. We need to protect taxpayers and make sure that our limited tax money is being spent on the services that are going to be beneficial to all of us, and not just to a few insiders and special interests. This is the only way to protect the quality of life of this city that's always been the engine of our prosperity and makes this a city we love. I've got a lot of ideas. More important, I want to hear your ideas. Check out our website, billspellman.org. Good government is a conversation involving all of us, and I want to be sure you're included. City Hall needs a lot of changes. Let's do it together.